Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well. Today I will demonstrate like how we can deploy a web application in AWS Ubuntu EC2 instance. And for that demo, I will cover how we can launch Ubuntu EC2 instance and then how we'll connect that, like how we'll do the SSH to that particular Ubuntu EC2 instance, and then we'll show you finally how we can deploy a web application in that particular Ubuntu, and then we'll try to access that web application by using browser, and we'll see that how it is working. Okay, so guys, let's move on to the AWS console. For today's demo, what I need one EC2 instance or Ubuntu EC2 instance. So I have already logged into my AWS console. So this is my AWS console. I am in the Virginia region, which is East 1. Okay guys, so any region, if you want, you can switch from here according to your need. Okay. And here recently I was visited that issue to which all services I have visited, so it is displaying. So for you, if it is not displaying, then in the search box you can search like EC2, so that it will come EC2 instance. So let's go to here, running instance. One instance is running. Okay, let me launch one instance. Okay, so let me give that web app kind of thing, and here is the instance type. So let's select the Ubuntu. In my previous subsequent video, I have already talked about Windows and Linux, all this is to instance, right? So let's take the Ubuntu, and here is the free tiers eligible. So let's take the free tiers one. And if you guys not yet watched my previous video about the free tiers, so please have a look. I will give that link to this description. And let's select that. I have already created one security group. So, and about the security group also, I have already demonstrated the video. So please have a look if you not yet watched my previous video. And so this is the one. And that's it. So let's launch. Now my instance is launch. Let me see what the status. So still it is in running state. Still it is not yet came for running state, so just wait. It will take like a 2 to 3 seconds or 2 to 3 minutes maximum. So it will come online. So now it is running, right? So web application, right? So for that, this is the public IP. So how we can connect like SSH, right? This is for instance. So let me show you. I will do by mobile extreme here. So let me show you that. Click on session and click on SSH and give the host name. Host name is nothing but the public IP address. Okay, guys. One interesting thing is it's since it is a Ubuntu, right? For Ubuntu, basically user is different, and if it is a Linux, user is different. If it is a Windows server, then that user will be different. So let me show you that. So see, this is my Linux system. So let me show you that here user is EC2, right? And if it is a since it is a Ubuntu, so now user will be Ubuntu. Let me show you that too also here. See here, this is the user. Okay, guys. So this is the difference whenever you are launching any EC2 instance, what type of instance you are launching, right? If you don't know what the user type, right? So that you can check directly. Just select the instance, which instance you want to check. Just select that instance and then click on connect. Then it will display you what type of user for this particular instance. Okay, guys. So now this is a Ubuntu user. So let's specify the Ubuntu user, and then we need PEM file. File I have launched, right? I have mentioned here one PEM file. Let me show you that also. If you select this one, and if you go a little right here, this is our security group, and this is our PEM file. Okay, guys. So let's connect that by using that PEM file. So use this private key and this file. Okay, so let's select. So this is how we can do SSH of the Ubuntu. So see, this is connected. If you want, you can go to root user also. So now I'm the root user. Okay, guys. So let me. Now we'll see how we can deploy a web application for this particular EC2 instance, right? So for to deploy a web application, I have note down instead of typing all each and every command, right? I have already created one document here. So by using this, we'll go to, if it is a like a Linux based, then we can directly use this one, like, and since it is a Ubuntu, so we have to do this all command one by one. So let me do one by one command here. Okay, guys, I will give this all comment in this video description link so that you guys no need to search. You guys can get at a time here. Okay, guys, so let me update. One more thing before launching is, so let me show you one thing here. If you click on this one, right? Now here is no web server is running. So now I am going to install web server and then we'll launch a web application. Okay, so now this is done. So go to here. Now we are using Apache here. Okay, Apache 2. So let's install this. Select yes. Now it is going. So if you see, it's nothing is there, right? So no web application is running, right? So that's why. But after we enable, we can able to hit this URL, see our web application. Okay. So now we need to enable the firewall. So let's go to here, or we can. So it's like, so all the command is done. Now we can check the status also if you want. So let me show you the status. So this is the status. Okay. See, it is running. So now we can deploy our web application. Let me just deploy, start, stop. If you want to reload, you can do reload. If you want to check the status, if you want to enable that, you can enable. If you want to disable, you can disable. If you want to check the version of that Apache 2, you can check the, if you want to check the host name, this is the command to check the host name. Okay, guys. So now my web application deployment is done. So let me hit now this URL. Still it is not coming, right? So what we need to do, so let me go to here. It is done. Now let's status, let's enable this one. This is done. See, now our application is deployed, right? Since it was deploying, right, it used to take some time. So once it is successfully run and deployed, right? So now we can see welcome to Ubuntu EC2 App Server demo from Cloud Tech. Please do like, subscribe, share our channel if you feel this video is valuable, and share with your friend to support my channel. So that is how we can connect. We can launch Ubuntu EC2 instance. We can do SSH of that particular EC2 instance. And if you want, you can deploy a static web application to that particular web application. Hope this session will helpful to you guys, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will really helpful and it will really inspire to me. Thanks, guys. Chalo, bye.